today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a signature in Google Docs. Whether you're adding a professional touch to a document or just want to include your personalized signature, Google Docs has a simple and effective way to accomplish this. Let's dive right into the process. First, open your document in Google Docs and navigate to the spot where you want your signature to appear. This could be at the bottom of a letter, near your name on a title page, or anywhere else you decide is best for your specific document. Be sure to click in that exact location to set your cursor. Next, head over to the top menu bar and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, hover over Drawing and then select New. This will open a new drawing window, an essential feature for adding various elements into your document, including your signature. Now that you have the drawing window open, look for a tool called the Line tool. It might be represented by a simple line or a downward arrow icon. Click on this tool and you'll see an option called Scribble. Selecting Scribble will allow you to freely draw within the canvas area using your mouse or trackpad, essentially turning it into your own personal signature pad. With the Scribble tool activated, use your mouse or trackpad to draw your signature. Don't worry if it's not perfect on the first try. You can always undo it and try again. It might take a little practice, especially if you're not used to drawing with a mouse. The more precise you can be, the more your digital signature will resemble your real one. Once you're satisfied with your digital signature, go ahead and click Save and Close located in the upper right corner of the drawing window. This action will save your drawn signature and automatically insert it into your document as an image. You'll be able to see your signature appear right where you initially placed your cursor. Now, you'll notice that the signature behaves like an image, meaning you can resize and move it around your document if needed. Simply click on your signature to reveal handle points around the corners, allowing you to adjust its size or drag it to a new position. Feel free to experiment with the placement to ensure it looks just right. And there you have it, a customized, handwritten signature added to your Google Docs document with ease. This method provides a professional touch, enhancing the authenticity and personalization of your document. Remember, practicing your digital signature can help improve its appearance, so don't hesitate to try it a few times until you're satisfied. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.